Hello and welcome to another NikoMedia. Here, what is this? App presentation. Let's see a presentation. Let's open the app. And Patreon asked me 2 days ago if I can make, or if it's possible to make a web app which finds pictures, they are duplicated, so it's the same pictures simply. And if this is possible with a web AI, a web app, there is no AI inside. The only thing I did is I did everything with AI because I was with AI because I'm not a programmer by far not. So uh, and he wanted something really something easy. And but if you know me, I can't do something easy. This is when I start to do something, it must have at least a pro status. Anyways, and I told him that there are a lot of different programs out there. They can do this with finding picture doublets. Uh, but I tested my own. I tested some of them, and one is too slow. The other can do not enough. And the most of them, or all of them, were too slow for me. And so I said, okay, let's see what we can do. And so I made a app here. This app is just in the browser. This is an index HTML, but it works in the browser, but you can install it as an app. So I show you this later. And you see here, it says multi-core processing. That means this is the reason I have opened this window here. It uses all of your threads in your machine. So and that then all the other apps that I've seen, they just use one single thread. And what? Why? When I have 32 threads, I want to use 32 threads, and it's much faster, of course. And if you have, let's say, you go on a laptop, or if you have a weaker machine, it will find automatically how many cores you have, and will select it and use every single thread. Good. This is this. And the next thing is what's very important. It's totally local, so you don't have to be scared that something else it will be uploaded from your pictures. Also, everything happens on your machine, so nothing goes out. And you can make this pro version here is for Patreons only because they can download it on Patreon. And but there is a trial version. Well, let's show the trial version here. They can do this version can do exactly the same, but it's limited to 20 files. So, but you can with this you can test if this works on your machine or something else, or if you don't need more than 20 files. So why buy the pro version? Or if you're a patron, you are lucky and you can download it. Yeah, so we have this open now. I can show directly how you can install this as an app. Let's make this smaller so that you see I have it here on. This is the app. And it's very easy. You have to be sure that's in a domain like this, and not on your. There is another thing. Let's see. Maybe I can show you this. Where do I have my things here? So, websites, tip finder, trial. So I can open this here. You see, this is open from my hard disk directly. And this you can't install as an app. It has to be on a domain. You will see when you go to this site here, you go to these 3 points here, open it and go to stream, save and share. And here you have install as an app. So I click on it, you can name it however you want. Let's say Tab Finder Trial install. Sorry. And you have it as an app. You have also the icon here. But what I do normally when I have such an app, I go to my taskbar, right click, and fix it on my taskbar, like I did it here. So and you see it, and it does exactly the same. And to deinstall this is very easy too. Go to these 3 points, and here you can deinstall it. Even from Chrome, deinstall, zack, zack, it's gone. So here in the trial version, you will see the number. So today you see I have made an update, and when you click on the update, you will see exactly what I have done. In this case, I added the time and date for each file, so you can simply easier select manually what you want to delete and improve the smarter select copies. This I will show you later what this means. And here the version display, zack, zack, zack. Okay. And here you have as well, again, an install, how you can install it and how you can deinstall it. So, good so far. Let's go to the app again. Let's start with the testing everything. The first, I have here some miscellaneous pictures. Let's make some copies. So I hold my control key and drag something to the side. Drag. And I get copies and copies and over copies. Let's make one copy here, and let's make copy of the copy and copy of the copy. So look, lots of copies. Oops, this is not what I wanted. So okay, now we have enough copies, I think. Let's make some here again. Why is this down there? Because we did my name. Let's go with date. Doesn't matter. So okay, now it works. Good. And yeah, what's one thing? It has one little error, and it's not an error. It's not the app. It's from the browser side. The browser, when you use single, when you drag it like this inside, it will not delete every copy at once because of the security of the browser. It asks almost for every single file, or if you really want to delete, if you really want to delete, and then sometimes it does not delete everything. But this is normal. Maybe I find a way to fix this, but the best way is to use the whole folder and drag the whole folder in. For 2 days before, yeah, when I made the app, I tried this with a folder with 10,000 pictures, and it's not even 20 seconds. It scanned everything. This is the multi-thread processing. So you can put in a folder with 50,000. This doesn't matter. So, but with single files, I'll show you what I mean. Drag this in. You can drag wherever you want. You don't have to aim in this field, so you can just drag it in, and it will find the duplicates here. In this case, it's a little because they have everything the same date and file size, but I can explain it anyways. Select smaller resolution will always select the smaller picture. So when this would be 800, it would select the 800 times 500 or whatever. Or the smaller resolution, when this has 2650 kilobytes and this is 1000 kilobytes, it will select this one. And if they are like here exactly the same, then it selects randomly one. And in this case, it would be not so good because it would delete this original and would keep the copy. And this is, of course, not what I want. So okay, here the same, yeah. Here the same. It would save the copy and not the 04 here. This is the okay. Select newer files should be clear. And here I have this, what I updated as well, selected copies by name. So it will always select, it will see the name and will select names with a suffix or longer. So when it will select when the copy or of 04, and yeah, you know what I mean with the suffixes. And let's do this, select copies by name. And now you see it selects the copy and not the original. It selects the copy. Here the same, select copy, copy, or not original. And this works fine. And now to the deletion. I want to delete these files. This is normal. Once it asks you, so if you really want to delete permanently, then it should come. No, of course, I show it and present it, and then now it works perfect. Normally, it does not work like this. Let's try it again. So, okay, select by now copies by name, delete. Okay. Yeah, come on. Normally, okay, it could be that it's not an error, that it's deletes not everything, or you have to click on okay, 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 and something else. But you see, this don't know why it's worked now. Yeah, everything is gone. Okay, nice. Let's do the same, of course, with what I said with the folder. It always works. So let's make again. Select everything and make copy of everything. So and here another copy, and here another copy of this. Good. And now have a look at this CPU usage. You will see that the CPU usage goes up here when I put it in. Normally, when I have just one single core, it's bored. That does nothing. So let's drag this in and look at the CPU usage. Let's see. See, it goes up. And this is the reason why it works so fast. And here, of course, again, select names and delete. Okay. We have to be the delete takes longer as the scanning. You see it processing. So just wait a little bit, and now I should everything. Okay, it was allowed to delete, huh? And everything is cleared. Yeah, that's it more or less. This will be when I get some ideas, or when a Patreon, or not only Patreons, you can here download in the and here the comments on YouTube. You can give me ideas as well, of course. I will try to implement this in here. It will also be later on. It will work for documents as well. I thought for videos as well, but I don't think that many people have the double videos on the hard disks. So yeah, yeah, that's it. More or less, is more to say for this. No, 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 no. Yeah, of course. And when we go to the trial version, when you click go to trial version, I have to. Good to know. I forgot to give the okay. When you download it, when you do it, when you open it the next time, it will work. You come to the Patreon site. Okay. Yeah, that's it more or less. So I say thanks for watching and wish you all the best. Yeah, and wish you all the best for the new year. So wish you health and whatever. And yeah, okay. I almost forgot. Hey, good. And you think what's with CD4 or Cinema 4D tutorials? I don't know because honestly, I don't have any ideas for tutorials, and there is nothing really new. So these fluid simulations that I think they are not really good. So it's only my opinion. So don't get me wrong, but I do not like it. So Good. But if you have, yeah, I'm still here for Cinema 42, don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. If you have an idea or if you have a problem, ask me. No problem. I'm here. Good. That's it. So again, I wish you all the best here from Austria, Vienna, and tschüss und baba.